Hello guys, my name is Sarkodie. In today's video, I will show you how you can port your phone contact from your Gmail contact onto your Android phone. So to start, first you need to connect your Android phone onto your PC. After connecting it, you can export from Google Contact onto your PC and copy the file onto your Android phone. Then you port to install the contact from your Gmail contact onto your Android phone. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. Then in the address bar, you type gmail.com to have access to your Gmail web portal. After logging in, you log in with your email and password to have access to your Gmail web portal. This is my Gmail web portal. So to export my Gmail contact, on the right top corner, you click on Google Apps. Then in the Dropbox, you click on Contact icon to access your Google Contact web portal. This is my Google Contacts web portal. Here you will find all the contacts that have synchronized my phone contact onto my Google Contact web portal. Here you can add contact details by clicking on contacts or create contact. Then you enter the detail of the person, then you save. This will add the contact onto your contacts on your Gmail. So here you can spot all the contacts based on label. You can export contacts of your family, department, or agency. And again, you can import contact from your PC onto your Gmail contact phone. You can export the contact from your Gmail onto your PC. Again, you can print all the contacts on your Gmail contact. So to export my contact from my Gmail contact, I click on export. To export all the content from my Gmail, and I'll import on my iPhone. Here, to select file type that you want your contact that you are exporting, and choose Google CSV. You can choose Outlook CSV. You can choose MainCard for iOS content. This will enable you port contact from your Gmail onto your iOS file. Here I will choose export contact MainCard. I click on export to export contact onto my PC. After exporting it, I can open it This is the contact file that I exported from Google Contacts. So to import or transfer from Google Contacts onto my phone, this is my phone. On the phone, to click on contact icon on your phone. This will show all the contacts that you have saved it on your phone. So to import the contact that you exported from your Gmail, click on fixed and manage. After that, click on port file. Port file that you ported Gmail onto your Android phone. So here you can choose the specific email that you want to import the contact to. Here I will choose device. This means I want to import the contact onto device. By clicking on device, you select folder in which the file copy to port the file. Let's open PC. Then in my PC, I click on download folder. This will show downloaded file that I downloaded from. So to import it, I right click on it, I click on copy, and I open drive and I paste so this will enable me port all the contacts from my to my phone. So after pasting it, go to your phone, click on import file, then select contact file that you pasted. This will auto copy all your contacts in it. %93, 100%. I have copied the file. Thank you for watching. For more information, under the description below, click on link to the post. You'll find more information on how you can export your phone contact from your Gmail account onto your phone. Again, subscribe to this channel by clicking bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.